Good morning, students. Now I am continuing your next topic, that is two-dimensional array of chapter 7 arrays. So two-dimensional array is that which has two subscripts. See the example. Int it is a data type a. After a, two square brackets are written. It means it has two subscripts, and a is a two-dimensional subscripted variable having 3 elements in first and 3 elements in second. So mostly such type of double dimensional arrays are used for the programming of matrices. In your math you will do the sums which are related with the matrix. So matrix is like this. These are the elements of a matrix and the name of matrix is A. It has 3 rows, 0 row, first row, second row, and 3 columns, 0 column, first column, second column, 0, first, second, and 3 rows, 0 row, first row, second row. So total elements are 3 rows and 3 column, 9 elements. Now size of array. Total elements are 9 and bytes, 4 bytes taken. Then size is 4 multiplied 9, 36 bytes will be taken by 9 elements. Similarly, now you can see the memory allocation. So 156, this will be stored at the location number. 1 will be stored here, 5 will be stored here, 6 will be stored at a 02 location, 6 will be stored at this location, first 1 0, 1 at 7 will be stored at location 1 1, 3 will be stored at location 1 2, 8 will be stored at 2 0, 4 will be stored at 2 1, and 1 will be stored at location number 2 2. Okay, so here 1 will be stored at this location, 1 will be stored. Now ICSE question, which value will be stored at A21 location? Now A21 location, you see A21 location is this location, and which element is stored at this location? That you can see A21, so this location, so 4 will be stored here. So our answer is 4. Okay, now array declaration. How to declare? First we have to give the data type, then array name, then data type, then indices. Now one dimensional array, data type, English is the name of the array, then double, 20 elements will be stored. And in case of two dimensional array, int. Now see what is the mistake done here. Two dimensional array, you know that array then name, then 2 brackets must be there. Okay, so the correct is int a, then 2 square brackets must be there. Then after that put equal to sign. Then second mistake, new is not written. New enter 3 by 3. New enter 3 by 3. This is the correct way. So such type of ICSE questions are asked, what is the mistake in the declaration of an array? Okay, so two dimensional array is declared like this. First data type, then array name, then 2 square brackets are there, then data type, then 2 indices are there. Okay, so this is a wrong. So correct form is int a, 2 square bracket, then equal to new int 3 3. This is the correct. Now next is array initialization. If the elements are given to us, then how to give? We have to put them in curly braces separated by comma. In two dimensional also we have to put the elements in curly braces separated by comma. Okay, this is the first row, this is the 0 row, this is the first row, and this is the second row. Okay, so which element is stored at PUN3? Now PUN3, you can see the location: 0 location, 1 location, 2 location, and a 3. So 89 will be stored. Now next question, which element is stored at B12? Now write the matrix. Write the matrix. Two, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, then again 5, 7, 8. Now B12 mean first row, second column. This is the 0 row, this is 0 row, this is first row. First row, this is 0 column, first column, second column. Now the first row, then after which second column. So 8 is the answer. Okay, so such type of ICSE questions are asked related with the array. Now note, the elements of array, they are entered and calculations. The elements of array, they are entered and calculations and output. All the three things will be done in the loop. Okay, see example, there are 10 elements. So how we will do? Int num is equal to new int 10, then for I is 0. Array always starts from 0. 0 to less than 10. Don't put equal to sign, it will be wrong. If you will write here I, if you will write here I less than equal to 10, then there will be 11 element from 0 to 10. Okay, so this is wrong. You write like this, I less than 10. Okay, means 0 to 9 there will be 10 elements, and if you will put equal to sign, then it will be wrong, and message will come array index out of bound. Array index out of bound. This exception mean error will come if you will give wrong. Okay, then num I is equal to se dot next int I. Subscripted variable will be here, subscript will be used now, because first of all the value of I will be 0. Okay, first of all the value of I will be 0, so num 0. Then after that I, the value of I will 1, then num 1, then 2 num 2, then 3 num 3, then 4 num 4, then 5 num 5, then 6 num 6, then 7 num 7, then 8 num 8, then 9 num 9. Okay, less than 10 terminal will be it will be the closed loop will be terminated. Similarly output also. Okay, num I will be printed. Okay, then I, the value of I will be from a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements will be printed. And in the two-dimensional arrow, we will take 2 loops, just like in the pattern programming, 0 to 10. Okay, here must not be 10, here must be 3. So here must be 3, 0 to 3. Okay, and 0 to 3. Okay, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so A0, 0, then A0, 1. How it will be there? First of all A, here first of all this correction I will do. Let me do the correction. First of all, here must be 3. Okay, so this is the correction. Now how will be the array, how will be located? This will be A, first of all A0, 0. Okay, so I is 0, so this is I, this is J. Now for I 0, J will go 1, 2, 3. J will go 0, 1, 2. Then I will become 1 and j will be again 0, 1, 2. Then I will become 2 and j will again become 0, 1, 2. Okay. So I will go 3 times and j will go how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. J loop I loop will be executed 3 times. And j loop will be executed how many times? 9 times. Okay. Again I am saying I, see this, I, j. When I is 0, j will be 0, 1, 2. When I will be 1, j will be 0, 1, 2. When I will be 2, j will be 0, 1, 2. Okay. So in this way the elements will be entered. Similarly output also. First of all I am doing correction here. It is a typing mistake. Here must not be 10, here must be 3. Okay. Both here must be 3. 3 rows and 3 column. So here must be 3. Similarly, just like in the pattern programming you have printed, first you will use a print statement, print aij, and after that print line, just like a pattern. Okay. In ICSE one time the question was asked, write the output in the matrix form. So what is the matrix form? The elements will be printed like this. Matrix form elements will be printed like this. So after printing these 3 elements, so that's why print statement, because 3 elements will be in one line. After printing this statement, then next statement will come. Okay. So that is why first 3 elements will be printed, because I, and you know that I and j, when I is 0, 1, 2, 3, j will go 3 times. So 3 elements will be printed in the same line. Then I will become 1 and a print line. Okay. Then again 1, 2, 3. Then I will become 2. Then again 1, 2, 3. So in this way the loop will work. Now remember, if array is of 10 elements, then you cannot store 11th element. Then which mistake will come? Array index out of bound. Okay. And you have to take only positive number here. Positive integer. Okay. You cannot take negative number. Okay. So minus 10 is wrong. You cannot take a decimal number. So 10.2 is wrong. You cannot take any variable here. Like you cannot write int I. Here you cannot write I. Or here you cannot write a. Okay. So the subscript must be a positive integer. Okay. So if it is a negative number, it will be wrong. If it is decimal number, it will be wrong. If it is any variable also, then it is a wrong. So these are all the topics which are related with the chapter array, chapter 7, that is array. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.